Today we have a Dualtron Mini. A man came in and said that his electric scooter won't turn on. I start to disassemble the electric scooter. I unscrew the bolts on the top and bottom to get to the battery. I need to check the voltage in the battery first. Look what I have found inside. I mean, what I didn't find it. Some of the plugs inside are not connected. But what surprised me more is that there is no battery inside. The customer complained that the electric scooter does not turn on. How can it turn on if there is no battery inside? I had in my mind some thoughts, maybe it is stolen. After my request, he showed me the receipt for the purchase of this electric scooter. So check when you buy goods. Thank you.